Instagram quiet mode update. How to use it. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store, tap on the search bar and search for Instagram. Now make sure to update to the latest version. Now go back to your home screen and open up Instagram. Now at bottom right corner, click profile, tap on three lines. Now click on notifications. Now click on quiet mode. Now enable this toggle. Now choose the days you want to turn it on. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.